On the International Space Station, time is precious. If something breaks down, an astronaut has to jump into action. So, what if an astronaut could identify the need for a potential repair with plenty of time to fix it? How? By listening to the space station's highly complex equipment, using technology that can actually detect anomalies by the sounds the equipment makes. This new Bosch artificial intelligence innovation is called SoundSee, Seeing with Sound. SoundSee is an experimental technology developed by Bosch. To send SoundSee into space, Bosch partnered with Astrobotic, experts in space robotics, and collaborated with NASA and former space station commander Mike Foale. NASA's Astrobotic robot floats through the space station with SoundSee on board. With its array of sensors and microphones, SoundSee captures equipment sounds. Then, Bosch's highly advanced artificial intelligence analyzes this data to identify potential repair needs. The SoundSee experiment is scheduled to launch in 2019. Here on Earth, SoundSee has the potential to be used in a multitude of robotic, sensing, and autonomous applications. Because if we can make it work up here, we can make it work down there.